Factorize the following expressions. A, x squared plus 8x plus 15. This is a trinomial. For us to factorize it, we need to ask ourselves two questions. What are two numbers whose product is 15 and two numbers whose sum is 8? Two numbers giving a product of 15 could be 1 and 15. This is the first pair, and it could be 3 and 5. If we look at the first one, 1 plus 15 will not give me 8, while 3 plus 5 will give me 8. So this will be x plus 3 into x plus 5. The second one, we have x squared plus 3x minus 10. I need two numbers whose product is 10 and whose sum is 3. What are the numbers whose product are 10? We have the first pair, which is 1, 10, and the second pair, which is 2 and 5. If we look at 1 and 10, their difference will be 9. It's not 3. If we look at 5 and 2, their difference is 3. So this is the right one. Now we need to try to identify the sign of the terms. So now we know that we have x and 5 and we have x and 3. But where do we put the minus and where do we put the plus? Because here we have minus 10, so those two signs will be opposite. If we put here, this is 2, if we put here minus, then we will have minus 3x, so this one is plus next to the bigger number, and this one is minus next to the small number, because we have plus 3, so the difference between those two numbers must be positive. Part C, we have x squared minus 400. This is similar to the identity a minus b into a plus b is a squared minus b squared. 400 is equal to 20 all squared, so this is equal to x minus 20 into x plus 20. The last one, we have x squared minus 8x plus 16, which is also the remarkable identity x minus 4 all squared, because 16 is 4 squared and 8 is 2 times 4. So here it's a minus b squared, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared.